Here's how to factory reset your HP DeskJet 2910 printer. This is helpful if you're struggling to connect to the Wi-Fi or you just want to restore the printer back to default settings. The first thing you need to do is open up this tray at the front of the printer and then open up the second tray where the ink cartridges are. The next thing you need to do is come over to the control panel. You want to hold the Wi-Fi button and the X at the same time. So keep these two buttons pressed in for around 15 seconds. You need to wait until you see the Wi-Fi logo on the screen. You want to see it flashing like this. And that's how you know that it has been factory reset. If you're still having some issues connecting to the Wi-Fi, then the next thing you can do is take out the power cord at the back of the printer for 5 minutes and then plug it back in, which can also help connect to the Wi-Fi.